Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're training hard, pushing your limits, and trying to maximize your performance, then recovery is everything. And on that note, I would estimate that about 80 to 90% of your recovery success is based on your diet, with sleep and supplementation and other things making up the remaining 10% or so. What you eat after training directly impacts how fast your body repairs muscle, replenishes energy, and also reduces inflammation. So today, I'm sharing my top 5 foods that every athlete needs for faster recovery. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Barker. For 23 years, I've helped athletes boost performance, recover faster, and stay injury-free. As an athlete myself, I want to share some science-backed strategies on training, recovery, nutritional supplementation, and natural medicines to help you stay strong, healthy, and performing at your best. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1 on the list are tart cherries or tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are one of the most powerful recovery foods for endurance and strength athletes. Why is that? They're packed with anthocyanins, which are natural compounds that reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Research shows that tart cherry juice can significantly decrease post-exercise muscle damage and improve recovery times. Here's how I use them. I'll drink about 8 to 12 ounces of tart cherry juice immediately post-workout, or I'll eat a large handful of tart cherries. If you've ever struggled with delayed onset muscle soreness or DOMS, tart cherries can be great for giving you some quick relief. A few things to remember: make sure if you're drinking juice, find one that's got low sugar or no sugar added. There's always going to be some sugar in juice still, but that's going to be fine for our recovery purposes. Next up is wild-caught salmon. When it comes to muscle repair and reducing inflammation, wild-caught salmon is a powerhouse. Why is that? Well, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These are great for reducing exercise-induced inflammation and improving joint recovery as well. Salmon is, of course, a high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it's rich in vitamin D and B12, both of which are crucial for energy production and immune function. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, about 4 to 6 ounces per serving, or if fresh salmon isn't available, then omega-3 supplements or fish oil are a great alternative. Personally, I get 1 large wild-caught salmon fillet each week, and this makes a couple of meals for me. But because it's not a lot, I still take 2 grams of omega-3 fish oil twice a day. Athletes who consume more omega-3s have been shown to recover faster and experience less muscle stiffness. Number 3 on our list are sweet potatoes. After a workout, your glycogen stores are depleted, and sweet potatoes are an ideal way to replenish it. Why is that? Well, sweet potatoes are high in complex carbohydrates. They can restore muscle glycogen quicker than simple sugars do. They're also rich in potassium, which is, of course, an important electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents cramping. They're also full of antioxidants, which in turn reduce oxidative stress and can help speed up muscle repair. How do you use sweet potatoes as a recovery product? Well, you can eat about 1 medium sweet potato post-workout along with a protein source. You can roast them, mash them, bake them, or make sweet potato fries, all for a delicious recovery meal. Faster glycogen replenishment means more energy for your next workout. Next, we've got pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are really an underrated plant-based recovery food that deliver a perfect mix of protein, magnesium, zinc, and other antioxidants. Why? Well, that high magnesium is, of course, crucial for muscle relaxation, preventing cramps, and reducing fatigue. That zinc in those pumpkin seeds helps support immune function, which can take a hit after intense training, and it's also super important for testosterone production. And yes, both men and women need to keep their testosterone levels supported as much as they can. You can eat a handful, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds post-workout, or you can sprinkle them on your salads, in your oatmeal, or blend them into your smoothie to get those extra nutrients. Eating those pumpkin seeds regularly will help you have better muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Lastly, we've got spinach or dark green leafies. Dark green leafies like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are recovery superstars because they fight inflammation and oxidative stress. They do this because they're loaded with antioxidants, which in turn combat oxidative damage caused by that intense training. They're also rich in magnesium, which, as I mentioned before, can support muscle relaxation and prevent cramping. They're also a great source of nitrates. Nitrates improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. You can toss them in a smoothie post-workout, you can add them to omelets or grain bowls for a recovery meal, or you can saute a bunch of them down with some eggs or something else like that. Studies show that athletes with higher nitrate intake recover faster and perform better in subsequent workouts. Okay, let's do a quick review. Tart cherries are great for reducing muscle soreness and inflammation. Wild-caught salmon is packed with omega-3s for muscle repair and protein. Sweet potatoes restore glycogen for energy. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc for your immune system, muscle relaxation, and testosterone support. Spinach and dark green leafies combat oxidative stress and improve blood flow. Now, if you want to recover faster, train harder, and feel better, definitely start adding these foods to your diet today. Let me know if you're eating any of these regularly for recovery, or if you have a personal favorite that works well for you. Please share that down in the comments because everybody gets the benefit from your dietary experience. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-backed nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.